Dark feminine energy is probably the most misrepresented aspect of the divine feminine online. When you begin to awaken your feminine power, you will begin to unify both your light and your dark feminine essence. But there is so much stuff online that is not accurate and teaches you to use your feminine essence as a covert form of manipulation in order to get someone or something outside of you to change or shift in order to reflect back to you what you feel you need. And this is the wounded feminine energy coming in the back door. The external world outside of you is a mirror reflection of what you believe to be true about yourself. And if you're using your feminine essence as a manipulation tool in order to get a person or a situation or circumstance to change and bend to your will, then you're operating from distorted feminine energy. You are not operating from your divine feminine energy. So a good tell for this is you can ask yourself, am I attempting to bend this person, this situation, this circumstance to my personal will? If you're attempting to do that with your feminine essence, then this is your wounded feminine energy. Embodying your dark feminine energy on this journey is such a sacred process. It's very much associated with your sacral chakra and the seat of your presence, very much associated with where we carry shame around our sacred femininity. So maybe sensuality or sexuality. It's also very much associated with the divine creation process and cycles of death and rebirth and transformation and alchemy. There is so much depth to the dark feminine essence within us. And it's a shame that it gets packaged up as some kind of covert manipulative tool, teaching women to use their dark feminine energy, maybe their sensuality or their sexuality, in a way to get someone to bend to their will or some situation to bend to their will, because that is so surface level, so egoic, and doesn't even touch the depth of dark femininity. When you embody your true divine dark feminine essence, you become naturally magnetic, naturally alluring. You naturally draw in and call in all that is aligned for you. Effortlessly. You do not need to manipulate anyone or anything outside of you ever. So if you want to dive deeper into this work, I teach my magnetic feminine method inside my membership, Embody the Empress. You can drop me the word embody wherever you're listening to this, or DM me the word embody, and I will get you the link to all of the details. Namaste.